Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find all Pythagorean triplets in a range. So firstly, let us know that what are Pythagorean triplets. So Pythagorean triplet are set of three positive integers, for example a, b and c, that satisfy the Pythagorean theorem as a square plus b square is equals to c square. So let's start with the program. In the first line, this defines a function named find Pythagorean triplets that takes one parameter limit which represent the upper bound of the range to search for triplets. Now in the next line, this initializes an empty list named triplets to store the valid Pythagorean triplets found during the execution. Now we will see the next line. This loop iterates through all possible values from a starting from 1 up to a limit inclusively. Here a represents the smallest side of the potential Pythagorean triplet. Now moving to the next line, here a nested loop for B which starts from A and goes up to a limit inclusively. Here starting from B from ensures that B is greater than A, as it avoids redundant pairs like 3 4 5 and 4 3 5. So B represents the second side of the triplet. Now in the next line, the innermost loop iterates through values of C starting from B up to a limit. Here starting C from B ensures that C is greater than B, and C is always the largest number in the triplet as required for the Pythagorean triplet. And this in the next line, this condition checks if the current combination of A, B and C satisfies the Pythagorean theorem as a square plus b square is equals to c square. If the condition is true, the numbers from valid Pythagorean triplet. Now in the next line, a square plus b square is equals to c square is satisfied. The triplet ABC is added to the triplets list. Here in the next line, after all the loop completes, the function returns the list of all valid Pythagorean triplets found. Now in the next line, this prompts the user to enter an integer value as the upper bound limit for the range. Here the value is converted to an integer using int. Now in the next line, this calls the find Pythagorean triplet function with the user provided limit and stores the returned list of triplets in the variable triplets. Here in the next line, this prints a message to inform the user that the program is displaying the Pythagorean triplets within a range 1 to limit. Now in the last line, this iterates through each triplet in the triplets list and prints it. Each triplet is displayed as a tuple of 3 numbers. So let's check this program. I am entering a range limit of 6. Hence Pythagorean triplets in the range 1 to 6 are 3, 4, 5. So thanks for watching this video.